Today we are going to prepare total creditor account and bills payable account. By preparing total creditor account, we can ascertain credit purchase. By preparing bills payable account, we can ascertain bills payable accepted. I am going to give you the format of total creditor account and total bills payable account. Yes, look at the board. Total creditor account. Total creditors account. It has two sides, debit side, credit side. Opening creditor recorded in the credit side of creditor account. Opening creditor recorded in the debit side of creditor account. Then cash paid to creditor. Check issued to creditor recorded as to bank. Then purchase returned to creditor. Discount received from creditor. Discount received from creditor. Then by bills payable dishonored recorded in the total creditor account credit side. Bills payable accepted. Bills payable accepted recorded in the debit side of creditor account. Normally they will ask us to find credit purchase. In that case, the total creditor account debit side is heavier than credit side. So debit total heavier than credit total. So first total the debit side, bring it to the credit side. The balancing figure is credit purchase. Balancing figure is credit purchase. Now we are going to prepare total bills payable account. Total bills payable account. It is like creditor only. The opening bills payable recorded in the credit side of bills payable account. The closing bills payable recorded in the debit side of bills payable account. Cash paid for bills payable. Then to creditor. This is bills payable dishonored. Here the debit side total is heavier than credit side total. The balancing figure is by creditor. Balancing figure that we can call it as bills payable accepted. Bills payable accepted. This bills payable accepted should be transferred to the debit side of total creditor account. Then we have to find credit purchase. Students, we learned the format of total creditor and total bills payable account. Now we are going to solve the problem relating to total creditor and total bills payable. Now I am going to solve total creditor account and total bills payable account. Look at the problem. From the following particulars, calculate total purchase. Students, they are asking total purchase. They are asking total purchase. If they ask total purchase, the formula is cash purchases plus credit purchases. Cash purchases plus credit purchases. Cash purchases definitely given in the question. Okay. Opening creditor, opening bills payable, cash paid to creditor, paid for bills payable, purchase return, cash purchase given. How much? 3,20,000. Remaining item we can use for total creditor account and for total bills payable account. The first item is opening creditor. It will be recorded in the credit side of creditor account. By balance BD, the value 75,000. Then opening bills payable, it's like creditor only, credit side of bills payable account. The value 60,000. Paid cash to creditor, debit side of creditor account to cash, the value 3,70,000. Paid for bills payable, debit side of bills payable account to cash, 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Purchase return, debit side of creditor account, purchase returns, the value 15,000. Cash purchase we can use for finding total purchase, leave it. Then closing creditor account debit side, to balance CD 50,000. Then closing bills payable recorded in the debit side of bills payable account, value 80,000. Now bills payable dishonored is given, very important. Bills payable dishonored is given. It will affect creditor account as well as bills payable account. Where it will come? It will come in the total bills payable account debit side. You can write to creditor. How much? 1 lakh 10,000, sorry, 10,000. The same value should be credited to the total creditor account by bills payable dishonored, the value 10,000. Students, first we have to close the bills payable account, find bills payable accepted, then only we should close creditor account to find credit purchase. Now we will close total bills payable account. The value of debit side of bills payable total 1,90,000. Bring it to the credit side. So the balance 1,30,000, that is by creditor balancing figure. This is called bills payable accepted. This value should be transferred to the debit side of creditor account as bills payable accepted. Bills payable accepted, value how much? 1,30,000. Now we will close that total creditor account. 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh 65,000, 5 lakh 65,000, 5 lakh 65,000 minus 85,000, balance 4 lakh 80, that we called by credit purchase, This credit purchase should be added with the cash purchase. We'll get a total purchase. So 5 lakh, 8 lakh. Once again, students, we have to very careful about BP dishonored. BP dishonored, where it will come total bills payable account debit side and the creditor account credit side. Then find a BP accepted with the help of total bills payable account and transfer it to the creditor account debit side. Then close the creditor account. The balancing figure is credit purchase. Students, till now we completed total debtor account, total BR account, total creditor account and total bills payable account. We completed all. In next class we will solve all total debtor account, total bills receivable account, total creditor account and total bills payable account all together in one sum. Till then, bye and thank you.